Now, many people ask me, sir, can we use astrology in day to day life, which is very, very practical, which is very, very helpful? Now, there is a saying in Tamil, what begins well ends well. So, when you apply the entire thing across, what begins well is the beginning of the new year. For example, this new year has begun. If you are the first 3 days of the new year would have been very, very peaceful, the entire new year can be entire year can be peaceful. The second thing is the beginning of the week. Now, many people consider beginning of the week as Monday. Now, I would consider beginning of the week as Sunday. Now, if your Sunday is very, very peaceful across, the entire week will go peacefully across. So, that is an indicator. The second thing is your Janma Nakshatra, if it is going to become very, very peaceful, the entire month will be peaceful because the Janma Nakshatra is 27 days. So that can be used to identify how the entire month is going to be. For example, you are born in a particular nakshatra, check the nakshatra of that particular day, how it's going to be. For example, you're born in Asilesha, you check how is that Asilesha when it comes. When you check it across, if the entire day is peaceful, the entire month will be peaceful. The problem is if 3 Janma Nakshatra gets hurt, you are going to have a major disaster, major problem in your life across. If your Janma Nakshatra is supposed to be very good, your entire day, entire month is going to be peaceful across. So that is the first thing, the year beginning. The next thing is the Janma Nakshatra. The other parameters you can take is a month beginning. When sun crosses over one Rashi to another, now that is the 16th or 17th or 14th, it kind of crosses over. That particular day, you keep your mind peaceful, keep your interaction peaceful. The entire month will be peaceful for you as a person. So there are 3 parameters you can take. The other one is the Paksha Sandhi. If the Pratipada Tithi is very peaceful, the entire 15 days will be very, very peaceful. The entire Paksha will be peaceful. Now you can extend this to Ayana Sandhi. If in the beginning of the Ayana Sandhi, your life is having a problem, difficulty, the entire Uttarayana and Dakshinayana can have a problem across. Now, there are too many beginnings which are there. There are Tithi beginning, there are month beginning, there are year beginning, and we can also add the Yoga and the Karna beginning. What is there that is very important if you take? It's very important. You keep your Janma Nakshatra very, very peaceful, very happy. The entire day, entire month will go well. Your birthday, you are born in Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday. If the birthday is very, very peaceful, the entire day will be, entire week will be very, very peaceful. Your Janma Tithi, for example, somebody is born in a Trayodasi Tithi. If the Trayodasi Tithi is kept peaceful, the entire Paksha will be kept peaceful. So the 3 indicators, the Janma Nakshatra, the Janma Dina, and the Janma Tithi, which will make a huge difference into your life across. So that is the way to use the astrology. And how do you do that? One is you can do puja, you can do havan, you can do dana, you can simply keep quiet, you can do mauna, all that particular thing you can do it across, which will help you to keep the entire thing to be peaceful across. So that is the beginning. One lady came to me and she told, sir, my entire marriage is getting disturbed. I asked her, you light the lamp on the particular nakshatra in which you are married. You light 27 lamps. If it goes peacefully, the entire month will go. She started doing that. After 5-6 months, she came and told me, sir, actually my married life is much, much better, much, much peaceful. And I asked, she said, why you are telling this to me? And I know that. She knows, sir, I was listening to all influencers. I thought I should analyze this, I should analyze that. I should analyze this, that, all that particular thing. And that is why I thought I would be very, very clear about my marriage. I said the marriage is an energy exchange. You cannot analyze because it's only opposite which attracts. And the opposite attraction can be solved only by doing the ritual across. So please understand and use the beginning of the entire Paksha, Tithi, Nakshatra to your advantage. Thank you.